morning. So today it's 10 o'clock on a Friday. I've got a day off, so I am back at one of my permissions, and it is so brilliant. You know, I've just been talking to the farmer, and I've got a little pond here, quite a big pond actually. I've got all these fields, so every field I can see is doable. This is an old track, an ancient track that goes down to a very old Roman road apparently, so it's all got potential. So yeah, really exciting. The castle that I've mentioned is literally about a couple of fields away, so yeah, this is good, this is promising. So let's go. Okay, I was going to go in the other field there, but a horse came up to me, and he was quite, let's say, inquisitive, but every time I moved he turned his back legs on me, so I came out of that field. But I've done 43 minutes in this field, which is just walking down that edge there. Found a button and a old penknife, and then a 15 came in, and wasn't expecting that, but it's a 20p. So so a coin already. This looks interesting. I don't know, to me that looks like a track, but who knows. Okay, I've come out of the field there. I managed to sneak past the horse, and I've just come into this little area, and I've hit an 18, solid 18, and boom, it is a coin. And it's it looks more interesting than a 20p. It's brilliant. Let's keep going. Just by the, it's not actually a brook, this one, it's just, well, it's just a soggy area, but just out of the woods, boom. Okay, I've managed to give the coin a little bit of a wash, and I think I can just see a George, definitely a head, and I always get them confused, but I think that's a George. So there we go. Let's keep going. Okay, 12:05 now. Walked into yet another field, and just in my little hole there, which is I don't know, 3 inches down, I found probably the oldest pound I've ever seen. It's obviously an Elizabeth II, but wow, it looks old. Been there a long time. So yeah, brilliant. Keep going. I'm gonna head towards that road, because that's a very famous road, and there's a church just beyond there, and then a castle just up the road. So keep going. The old stuff's here somewhere. Okay, as you see, starting to get dusk. It's, well, light's failing. It's just gone 4 o'clock. I've been all around the fields, all the way over there, church over there somewhere, and long walk. I found that Edward coin just over there, and come back to this. I'm walking back to the car now. I just had a solid 16, and looks like 2 coins, or 3 in fact. Oh wow, they're modern. Well, that one can't be, or maybe that's a 5p. Yeah, okay, little modern spill. Oh well, worth finding anyway. Okay, light's really failing, but I've hit the jackpot here. That little money spill, I don't know where it was now, just here somewhere. There was about maybe 10 coins, all modern, but someone had obviously dropped all their change. And there's a buckle just here. I didn't film it because obviously I've got to go, but, and then I'm trying to get over the brook there, but every time I swing it I get a noise, a solid. So just had a 19, and yet another coin. So I'm gonna have to come back here. Obviously, I'll it's by the what do you call that? My brain's dead. It's obviously by the style, so I'll come back and give this a good going over next time. So yeah, cool. Okay guys, so I've returned from my day at the farm. This is the junk pile, as you can see. You know, bottle tops, a couple of bottle tops, an old lighter, a snapped off crowbar, some form of, I don't know, peggy thing, and there's a smaller peggy thing, bit of rope with something on, more trash, shotgun ends which are always here and there, bits of wire and what have you. And then this is my the finds that I think are of interest, so let me go and clean them up and we'll see what we got. Okay, so this is the finds table, finds of the day. So shrapnel, not sure what these little bits are, I'm not quite sure what that is. Or this is sort of my little junk pile. I think that's from a bomb as well, but I could be wrong. That looks like a tire inflator, piece of farmyard machinery of some description. Then my old penknife, a few more bits of just metal. I mean, this is interesting. It's a two domed pieces. Got my spoon, a couple of buckles. Not sure what these are. That might be a button. This is an interesting, really big button. I think that's probably quite old. Another little button, I think. I'm not sure, but it looks like a piece of furniture. I assume that's a musket ball. Bit of chain. And then the clock and the key. So a Yale key. A little clock face. And then all this money, which these are all 5p's. This was all, I think all of that was together. I found the pounds separately. This one's an Edward. I'm not sure what this little round thing is. But yeah. There is a head on this. I'm going to put a bit of electrolysis on that to see if I can work out exactly who that is. But yeah, this was all in one little pile. So we'll see somebody dropped it out of their pocket or something. But yeah, really cool day. Really enjoyed that. So good afternoon, everybody. So here we are with our little gang. So I've just arrived late afternoon. It's been messing about all day, but I thought I'd come and have a little dig. And these lot are here. Very sweet. But anyway, let's get on with it. Just walking by, I thought they were very sweet. Okay guys, so back home now. Did a couple of hours, obviously, from about, I'm not sure what it was, 12 till 4, I think. A lot of bits today. It was hard going. Nondescript. A couple of, I think, like tarpaulin stuff. A bit more shrapnel, I believe. Not sure what this little ball is, but it's got a hole in it. And then a few bits with trademark written on them. Funny little thing this. No idea what that is. 3 musket balls today. And so I didn't walk very far actually. I just kept in the same area. And I thought, you know, stay where the musket balls are. And this is the same field I got my sixpence. And then I decided, I think I saw on YouTube someone went on to 20 hertz. two tones, so I tried that, and then boom, this little thing came in, and it's quite good quality, as in you can see what's on there, and it's I believe an Elizabeth the First 2 pence, so it was brilliant. It's I'm not sure you picked that up. I'll put some photos on the screen, but yeah, that came in. Can't remember now. I think it was quite high in the 20s, about 21, I think it was. Solid little signal. Couldn't see in the field what it was, so I didn't film it. But got it home, give it a clean, and fantastic. That's my first Elizabeth the First, and it just shows they are there in that field. Just need the right settings and to walk over it, obviously. So that was a great. I'm chuffed with that. That was a great ending to the day. It wasn't near the end of the day, one of my last signals. So really cool.